My name is Junseok, who is the Director of Autonics Vina company. Autonics is in the industrial automation field, so we produce industrial sensors and controllers, and Autonics Vina is official sales office in Vietnam. I'm interested some networking with business field in this exhibition. Exhibition has many conferences and network seminar together. So I hope we have a chance to promote our items and company name, and then have a good relationship with those in networking time. Yes, actually yes. Autonics joined VIMF exhibition Bình and Ninh from 2017 every year, and every year we get some valuable results with this exhibition. So honestly, I already make a contract for next year. The best things Autonics think we working in VIMF. The best is we can be closer to industrial field, not just ask our customers or potential market visit to ours. We visit to customers, and then we have a chance to introduce our technology and items. That's the best thing, and I hope VIMF keep having those roles in this industry.